Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your data on the Firefox browser. Whether you want to improve your browser's performance or protect your privacy, clearing your browsing data is an essential step. Let's dive right in. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the Firefox menu. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look on the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains everything related to your browsing privacy and data. Scroll down a bit until you see the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Clear Data. Click on that button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you when time data you want clear, like last hours or last 2 hours or 4, or everything. Choose what you want. Then choose what data you want to clear. You'll have two options: Cookies and Site Data, History and Other. After you've made your selection, click the Clear button to confirm. Firefox will now clear the data you selected. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your data on Firefox. This should help improve the browser's performance and protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.